What's up, Flipsiders?
Welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is Karina.
Hi.
Karina has volunteered her face for this video. So, thank you.
You're very welcome.
So we're going to do one face and two makeup artists that aren't going to communicate with each other about what they're doing.
Pretty much.
And that's what we're going to do.
It's going to be great. I'm really excited.
It's funny.
It's the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. So it's a primer.
Oh, okay, cool.
Let's do this.
And now you're in the shot, so you have that going for you.
I'm the what?
Now you're actually in the shot, so you have that going for you. Okay.
This is funny.
This is really weird because when I do other people's makeup, I'm very used to looking at them just like
All the way,
straight on.
yeah.
Yeah. So it's weird just
Making
doing.
sure things.
Did you bring a concealer?
Me?
Yeah.
No,
Oh, okay.
I don't need one.
It's okay. I brought all
You
mine down.
do today.
My face consists of just eyebrows and mascara, so.
Your face also consists of a nose, a mouth, and eyeballs. Don't be ridiculous.
Oh, it actually matches really well.
What concealer did you use? So much can I put it?
Oh, it's in my hand. Don't mind me. I was just
You're like,
looking for it. I feel like it's fair if we share this one because we don't want her to look weird. Like,
We don't want like her base
The wrong
to look
color.
strange.
we don't want the absolute wrong color. There you go. So maybe we're cheating, but whatever.
It's okay. I mean, it's your rules.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's our video, our rules.
Yeah.
Back off.
Commenters who comment a ton because we have those.
Seriously, freaking haters. Just haters can hate.
Oh, that's good.
It's pretty much just my mom.
Hi, Mom.
And my mom, she watches too. Yay, moms!
I should tell my mom.
Like,
'Cause
Mom,
moms-
I'm
I
in
feel
a
like
YouTube
most
video.
moms aren't on YouTube anyway, so my mom's always like, "This is so informative." I'm like, "Thanks, Mom." I told myself that I was gonna do your eyeshadow first, but here we are.
It's okay.
Because you were too busy copying me. So, do you have more dry or oily skin?
I feel like I'm right in the middle.
So just normal?
Yeah.
For me, my skin's perfect.
I made this.
Nice. Okay, try to do this side. No, not these powders. Makes it easier.
This feels so funny. You guys were doing it at like different times?
This smells like so much like Play-Doh. It's tripping me out sometimes.
It really does.
Yeah, do you smell that? It's so
Yeah.
strong.
Did you guys ever eat Play-Doh as a kid?
I don't think I ever did. I think maybe I tried it, but I never actually ate it.
I mean, yeah. So I didn't like eat it, but I would
feel
like
I would just lick
kind of
it.
nom on little,
Okay,
little
yeah.
bits of it.
I would just lick the Play-Doh.
You're like,
So you're one of those kids. I feel like
I
I know you
was.
better now.
I would just always smell it. I'm like, oh gosh, it smells so good. And then
It does.
I would lick it. I was like, oh no, why?
I think I'm gonna come back to blush after I do the eyeshadow look. This is gonna be really confusing. I didn't think about that. It's like, Lindsay's like, I need your eye open. I'm like, well, I need it closed. So
Good
figure
thing I
that
can
out.
do both.
Really excited. This is a brand new palette.
Ooh.
I haven't used it yet.
Think smaller, Alex.
It reminds me of.
It's fine. It's fine. I'll work around it.
Okay.
Reminds you of what?
Oh, sorry, I got distracted trying to do.
So much focus.
I think smaller. It reminds me of a trip that I took while I was in Joshua. I went splunking.
Oh, that's fun.
Yeah, and my roommate, she was just like, think smaller, it's okay, we can fit. Because there were some really tight spots in those caves.
Oh, sorry.
Wow, way to hit our special guest here.
I'm sorry.
Jeez, treat her with some respect.
Lindsay, you're so mean.
I know.
Oh, this is broken.
It broke? What broke? Oh, yeah, the lid. Somebody dropped it. No.
Was that somebody you?
No.
Yeah, somebody dropped that.
No.
I don't know. I don't know what happened. Somebody dropped it. I really like this blush. What shade is this? Ah, blush. They were really creative with the shade name on that.
I really thought hard about it.
Spot on. I'm gonna try to do my eyeliner right now. Nope, this is super awkward.
You can do it. I believe in you.
I don't know if I believe in myself enough to do this.
Hold on, I gotta laugh. Okay.
Cut that out. We'll make it in the final cut.
Open prison?
That was almost like
Straight for her eyeball. The brow.
Yeah.
Brow.
I love this thing.
Really?
Yeah.
So I was between that and the Anastasia pomade when I was like getting my brow product.
I
And
haven't
for
heard of that
Anastasia,
one.
I don't have it with me. But it's just like their potted brow thing.
So like this one.
Yeah, it's essentially the same product, but
Not.
Anastasia instead of. Okay, I'm gonna try doing it with this brush because
I don't know why I closed my eyes.
Your brows are not going to be the same. I'm just going to put that up there.
Ready? Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, your turn.
And Lindsay.
okay. Okay. Yeah.
Wow, we're really boring.
I feel so concentrated. I don't know why.
You're supposed to feel relaxed.
I know.
You always feel relaxed when they're getting your makeup done. I'm gonna have like a kink in my neck.
I know, me too. I'm like, no one's gonna be able to see my beautiful face this entire video.
You know, it'd be really cool.
A lot of
That's true.
things. What?
If there was like a paper or like something.
I know.
that you
I
guys
thought about
legitly
that.
couldn't see, but the camera would be set up perfectly so that you could see both sides.
We thought about doing something like that, and then
We did. I probably just thought that in my head and was like,
No.
that's not gonna work. Alex.
you said it out loud.
I did.
Yeah, you definitely said that out loud.
And then what happened?
And then
And then it's
wow, I
it was
misjudged that
too
distance.
complicated.
Oh, darn.
Just really hard to put on other people.
Have fun.
I guess I'll wait. I'll do some blush.
You have really nice eyelashes.
Thank you.
Team smile.
Can you not? Just kidding.
I think that's
Just switches.
little college try. What am I missing here?
This is a challenge. I do my own lashes.
Just really invasive. Like, just do your lipstick.
That'd be like the not my hands challenge.
Which we should definitely do next.
Really funny.
Oh my gosh. That one would be kind of hilarious.
Oops.
Everything goes Tahoe.
Let's do this one because I'm really digging this color. Do you like?
I'm trying to hold it in so that it doesn't move. Okay.
You're like laughing. Oh, it's over now. That's not a good look.
Now we have to start all over again.
I'm just gonna leave this on while we eat.
You definitely should. No one will think you're weird. They'll be
I don't
like,
think so.
what?
No, I'm just gonna walk around in main
The
camp.
guys won't notice.
They probably won't.
They'll be like, that's a look.
Do such a face. You know, because we want this to last a long time.
Right. So fresh.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. That was really good too.
I didn't set my
Yeah, I
face
didn't
earlier.
set my face either. I was supposed to use that one.
Yeah, I was like, you didn't open it. Okay.
I got it up my nose. It's okay. Oh, it's a little itchy.
You that you can kind of see? You're so close up.
What?
The reveal.
That's great. Wow. Your guys'
Like, I need to look.
eyes were really similar in color.
Yeah, it's like one pink eye, one orange eye.
Yeah.
Your lip looks crazy on yours. What? Her lips look totally different. What happened?
Okay.
One
I
goes
did
a
a
little
little
higher.
like oops, and then I just tried
It's
to
a
make
bird.
it work.
It's the bird.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should
Exactly.
I fix that? Should I overline her other lip so it doesn't look so weird?
Yeah. You know, so that when people see her, they'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, no, that was on purpose. No.
It's your turn to make a bird. Finished face.
Finished face. And this is the final look.
Hey, do you like side to side? So do you like look at Alex?
Should I zoom in on her?
Oh yeah, try that.
Wait, but.
Oh no.
Whoa!
Anyways.
On camera, my lips look a little. Wait, no, this way. Yep, that.
It's because mine's darker too. It's
Yeah.
like a darker color.
But in person, they look.
I feel like
more
they look
normal.
more normal. Yeah, I feel like in
Yeah, it's only in the camera because
and
when I look at
it
it,
looks crazy.
when I look at it, it doesn't.
Anyways.
It's just because they're such different colors.
Anyways, so Karina, thank you for being our model.
Thank you for being our face.
We appreciate it.
My face is your space today.
So yeah, this was 2 makeup artists, 1 face, and I think
it turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
I feel like you could almost get away with it if it weren't for the lipstick. Because the
Yeah.
bright pink is so stark
It's
against
so
the regular
different.
one. But the eye look could almost be okay.
Yeah.
I think somebody would probably definitely like wear this other than lips, the eyes,
Mm-hmm.
out in public.
Yeah, I could see that.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, thanks for watching and like and subscribe if you want to like and subscribe.
If you want
Comment
to see
below.
more of this, yeah, and comment below.
Hello. Alright, anyways, we'll catch you on the flip side.
Bye.